Unlock wealth's hidden pathways today. Imagine living a life where money is no longer a worry. Let's unlock that secret today. Picture waking up each morning knowing you have the freedom to pursue your passions without financial stress. This dream is attainable with the right strategies. Wealth and success are often perceived as elusive, reserved for the fortunate few. However, they are attainable for anyone willing to pursue them. Understanding the principles of wealth creation can transform your life and open doors to endless possibilities. Many believe wealth is only for those with a high income or a stroke of luck. In reality, wealth is built through disciplined habits, strategic planning, and a proactive mindset. It's not about quick fixes, but sustainable growth. A wealth-building mindset is crucial because it shapes how you perceive opportunities and challenges. Embracing positivity, resilience, and an abundance mentality can propel you forward. Your mindset determines your actions, and your actions pave the way to success. Setting clear, achievable goals is vital for financial growth. Goals provide direction and motivation, helping you stay focused amidst distractions. By breaking down larger objectives into manageable steps, you create a roadmap to success, making the journey less daunting. Understanding finances is pivotal to building wealth. It empowers you to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Whether it's learning about interest rates or understanding investment options, financial education lays the foundation for a secure and prosperous future. Budgeting serves as the cornerstone of financial stability. By tracking income and expenses, you gain control over your finances. This disciplined approach not only helps you save, but also ensures that every dollar is working towards your financial goals. Saving effectively requires more than just setting aside money. It's about adopting strategies like automating savings or utilizing high-yield accounts. These methods ensure your savings grow steadily, providing a safety net and a foundation for future investments. Investing might seem daunting, but it's crucial for wealth growth. Start with basic concepts like stocks and bonds, and gradually explore more complex options. Investing wisely allows your money to work for you, multiplying your wealth over time. Passive income streams offer financial freedom by generating earnings with minimal ongoing effort. Whether it's through rental properties, dividends, or digital products, finding the right passive income sources can significantly boost your financial security and accelerate wealth-building efforts. Building a strong network is key to achieving success. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals opens doors to opportunities and collaborations. Networking fosters connections that provide support, advice, and insights, which can significantly enhance your journey towards wealth and personal growth. Continuously improving your skills is essential in today's dynamic world. Developing expertise in various fields not only increases your value, but also opens up new opportunities. Lifelong learning keeps you adaptable and competitive, ensuring you remain relevant and successful in your pursuits. Effective time management is crucial for boosting productivity and achieving goals. Prioritizing tasks and organizing your day allows you to focus on what truly matters. By managing time wisely, you maximize efficiency and create room for both personal and professional growth. Taking calculated risks is a vital component of success. Embracing uncertainty and stepping out of your comfort zone can lead to significant breakthroughs. By assessing potential outcomes and being prepared, you can turn risks into stepping stones toward achieving your dreams. Failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to success. Each setback provides valuable lessons and insights that contribute to personal growth. Embracing failure with resilience allows you to learn, adapt, and ultimately achieve greater success in future endeavors. Diversifying income sources is a fundamental strategy for financial stability. By spreading investments and creating multiple revenue streams, you reduce risk and increase security. This approach ensures that if one source falters, others can sustain your financial well-being. Your physical health significantly impacts your ability to create and maintain wealth. A healthy lifestyle boosts productivity, reduces medical expenses, and increases longevity, enabling you to fully enjoy the fruits of your financial efforts and continue wealth-building endeavors. Embracing gratitude and giving back enriches your life and financial journey. By acknowledging what you have and sharing with others, you cultivate a positive mindset that attracts abundance and fosters meaningful connections, enhancing both personal fulfillment and financial success. Technology has revolutionized financial management, offering apps and tools that simplify budgeting, saving, and investing. These digital resources provide real-time insights, automate tasks, and help you make informed decisions, empowering you to take control of your financial future. Commit to lifelong learning to sustain success. Continuously acquiring new knowledge and skills keeps you adaptable and competitive in a rapidly changing world. This mindset fuels innovation, opens new opportunities, and ensures your ability to navigate the evolving landscape of wealth creation. Countless individuals have transformed their lives by embracing these principles. Consider Sarah, who started with minimal savings but, through disciplined budgeting and smart investing, achieved financial independence. Her journey proves that with determination and knowledge, wealth is within reach for anyone. Now is the time to take charge of your financial future. Begin your wealth-building journey by subscribing for more insights and sharing your goals in the comments. Together, we can support each other in achieving financial freedom.